Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update EV Regen and driving modes on your vehicle touchscreen step by step clearly. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat of your vehicle. Ensure the vehicle is in the park position for safety. Turn on the vehicle's ignition or start the engine. Locate the touchscreen display on your dashboard. Once the screen lights up, find the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a grid. Tap on the menu icon to access the main settings. Look for the Settings option within the menu. Select Settings to open the configuration options. Scroll through the settings until you find Driving Modes or Performance Settings. Tap on Driving Modes to view available options. Choose from the list of driving modes that best suit your preferences. After selecting a mode, return to the previous settings menu. Next, locate the Regenerative Braking option within the settings. Tap on Regenerative Braking to adjust its intensity. Choose the desired level of regenerative braking. Options may range from low to high. Once you've made your selections, look for a Save button if prompted. Tap Save to confirm your driving mode and Regen settings. Exit the settings menu by tapping the back arrow or home icon. Now your vehicle is ready with updated driving modes and regenerative braking settings. You can test the new setup by taking your vehicle for a drive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.